All right, let's look at the parts of the eyeball. First of all, let's notice that we have all the white portion of the eye all the way around. That is your sclera. It is a nice fibrous tunic that will help to maintain the shape of your eyeball and protects everything that is inside. You'll also find muscles that are attached along here. You have your superior rectus, you have your inferior rectus, okay, down in here. Then we need to determine which one is the lateral rectus and which one is the medial rectus. If you look right here, we can see that our lacrimal gland is present, and we know that our lacrimal gland is on our lateral side. Therefore, this has to be the lateral rectus, and this one has to be the medial rectus muscles. This right here is referred to as our superior oblique muscle. Now let's start to look at the structures that are internal. We're going to start, and this would actually kind of bow over the top here, but the clear anterior portion is referred to as your cornea. It allows for light to go through, and it will then refract or bend that light for vision. Let's take this piece off. Okay. That if I pull this off, you can see that there is an opening right here, okay? And you have a colored portion. The colored portion is your iris, and it is what will control the size of the opening that is called your pupil. Right behind that, you would have some aqueous fluid that is responsible for maintaining your intraocular pressure. And then we have the structure that is our lens. The lens is made up of elastic tissue that will then focus your image. This is representing our posterior cavity that is filled with vitreous humor to help maintain the shape and to hold the retina against the back of the eye. If we look here, you can see this black portion, and it is colored dark in the body. It is called your ciliary body. It will have attachments to the lens that will assist in changing its shape for the purposes of focusing or accommodation. The orange here is representing the area where your retina is located. If you look way back right here, you can see this little yellow ring. The yellow ring is referred to as the macula lutea, with the word lutea meaning yellow. And in the very center of that is your fovea centralis. That is the point of sharpest image because it has the most cones in that area. Our optic nerve would be coming in right here, and it of course would also be your blind spot, because if you focus on the nerve and not on the receptor, you cannot collect information. There's one other structure that I want to show you, that on our large model here, we have this brown line kind of depicting that the choroid coat is behind there. But I have another model right here where if I take the center of the eye out, do you see where it is dark brown all around here? That is the choroid coat. Whereas if I then take this in half, okay, that the inside in the tan is the retina, so that you can see the retina is literally lining that choroid coat.